Hi guys, this is doing the file. This is system test. Not 15. 5. My fire alarm test 5. Okay. We're doing it in the full call point test. Let's test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, works fine. And this one I'll test by using the this key here. It's going to here. Key just goes in there. Yeah, we'll have to go. I'll pull it out, even pull the key out, and I'll just have to. What am I going to do to this one? I'll do full call point test. Yep, works fine. And final one, the new style KC call point. It's going to go off. What we're going to do. Works fine. Yep, it does. Yep, thanks for watching. Nice.